If you've been watching my channel for a while, you already know I've made a lot of videos about iPhone battery drain. We talked about system settings, background features, display, iOS updates, and even dozens of battery draining settings. But today's video is completely different. No system, no settings, no brightness. Today, we're talking about apps, the apps that drain your iPhone battery the most. Because here is the thing, you can turn off every setting, optimize everything, but if the wrong apps are installed or used the wrong way, your battery will still suffer. And this video is based on real data from iPhone battery statistics, tech publications, and real-world usage. Before we start, quick clarification. Apple does not guess battery usage. If you go to settings, then battery, iOS literally shows you which apps used your battery and how much, both on screen and in the background. So everything I'm about to mention here matches what iOS itself reports. Let's start with the biggest offenders for most users: social media and video apps. Apps like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, and YouTube. These apps drain battery fast because they combine four heavy things at once. Number one, constant video playback. Then high screen brightness. After that, background refresh and continuous internet connection. And autoplay makes it even worse. Videos load even when you're not watching them. That's why many people open battery settings and get shocked when Instagram or TikTok is sitting at the top. Next category, navigation and GPS apps. And this one is extremely important. Apps like Google Maps, Apple Maps, GPS is one of the most power-hungry features on your iPhone because it does not use just one thing. It uses GPS satellites, location sensors, mobile data, compass, and your screen stays on the entire time. So if you're navigating for 20, 30, or 60 minutes, your battery will drop noticeably and fast. Even worse, some of these apps keep location services active in the background if you don't close them properly. Now let's talk about games. High graphics games are some of the most demanding apps on iPhone. They push the CPU, they push the GPU, they keep the screen active and often use internet connection at the same time. Games like shooting games, racing games, and online multiplayer games can drain more battery in 15 minutes than normal apps do in an hour. If your iPhone gets warm while gaming, that's battery drain happening in real time. Streaming apps don't always feel heavy, but they are. Apps like Netflix, Prime Video, Spotify, podcasts apps. Video streaming drains battery because of continuous data usage, screen stays on, high resolution playback. And audio streaming drains battery quietly in the background, especially with downloads, lyrics, syncing, or Bluetooth headphones. Messaging apps don't look dangerous, but background activity is the problem. Apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, email apps, they constantly sync messages, check servers, send notifications, refresh in the background. One message doesn't hurt, but 24/7 background syncing absolutely does. Now let's address something many people believe. The camera app drains the battery the most. Here is the truth. The camera app drains battery extremely fast when you are actively using it, especially for video. 4K video, stabilization, HDR, sensors, screen, everything is working. But the camera app usually does not appear as the biggest battery drainer overall because you don't use it for hours like social media apps. So yes, short-term camera is brutal. Long-term social and video apps usually win. This part gives your videos seriously credibility. That's why I always say battery drain is not only about settings, it's about habits and app usage. Two people with the same iPhone can get completely different battery life just because of the apps they use. If you want to see the real truth on your own iPhone, go to the settings, then battery, and scroll down. You'll see exactly which apps are draining your battery with proof. You can also check the screen time as well in the settings. That one will give you extra info as well. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which app drains your iPhone battery the most. I'll see you in the next one.